Hello everyone. In this session, let us look at how to iterate over sets. As we saw in the case of list, we can use a modified for loop to iterate over a list, or we can use the list iterator. Now in this case, also we can use the modified for loop, a special for loop, to quickly iterate over a set, and also we have an iterator that we can use. So let us see both of these concepts. Let me first create the object of a hash set. So hash set, set1 is equal to new hash set. Let's add some elements to the set. So we have added 100, 200, 300, 400 and 500, and to quickly iterate over using a for loop, we'll use for each integer in the collection of integers. So for each int, say x, in the collection of integers, that is set, and when we display the value of this x over here, we will get all the values that are currently present in the hash set. But now hash set it's not an ordered collection, so it will not maintain the insertion order. So when we get the output, we have it in the random fashion. It's not in the ordered way. So this is the way you can iterate using a modified or special for loop. Now let's create another collection. Let us say tree set. Say var set2 is equal to new tree set, and let's add string values over here, and let's also import the tree set. I'm purposefully using different ways of declaring the object so that you guys get all different ways that you can create the objects, by using var keyword, or by using the reference type, or by using the reference type of the parent interface, which is set in this case. Now let's add some elements to the tree set. So we have added Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday and Thursday, and now let us see how we can use the iterator. For that, we first need to create the object of the iterator. So iterator, say it1 is equal to set2 dot iterator, and we need to import the iterator also. So we can use this it1 object, which is the object of iterator, inside a while, very similar to what we have seen in the list. While iterator has the next value, so while it1 has next, give us all the next values. So when you want to display the value, it will be simply it1 dot next. So by default, iterator is set before the first element, and when we say do you have next element, it will say yes, true. So as long as the condition is true, it will keep on iterating the loop. So when we say it1 dot next, it will give us the next element, and also the cursor is shifted to the next element. Now in this case, when we ask do you have next element, it will say yes, there is next element available, and then condition is true, it will go inside the loop. it1 dot next will get us that next element, and the cursor, the pointer, is shifted to the next element, and so on and so forth till the last element. And when we ask the last element, do you have next, then the condition will become false, and then will come out of the loop. So in this way, we will use the iterator object to iterate over a list. Let me quickly add a dotted line in between so that it gives us the visual benefit in the output when we run these two programs. So over here we see the element getting iterated, and in this case, as we are using the tree set, the elements are sorted in the ascending order. So simply by using these two ways, you can iterate over the sets. One is by using the modified for loop, and another is by using the iterator. So thank you so much for watching these sessions. These are very easy but important sessions of what we have seen regarding the hash set, linked hash set, tree set, and iterating over those. These concepts are pretty similar to the list concepts, with a couple of differences, like they cannot contain the duplicates, they do not always maintain the insertion order, you cannot access the elements by using index, etc. Very important, very easy concepts, and again very important from the interview point of view as well. And in the next few sessions, I will talk about the maps. Thank you.